Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of Python programming. Today we are going to see Python strings. Strings are amongst the most popular type in Python. We can create them simply by enclosing characters in quotes. Python treats single quotes the same as double quotes. That means both single quotes and double quotes are allowed in Python. Creating string is as simple as assigning a value to a variable. For example, I will declare variable 1 equals to hello world in single quotes. Variable 2 equals to Python programming double quote. So both single quotes and double quotes are allowed in Python. So it is very simple. Just declare a variable and assign a string to the variable. Next is accessing value in string. Python does not support a character type. That means character data type is not there in Python. These are treated as string of length 1. So suppose if you want to declare anything as a character, you will declare it as string of length 1, thus also considered a substring. To access substrings, use the square bracket for slicing along with the index or indices to obtain your substring. For example, I'm declaring two variables. One is hello world, second is Python programming. So if I want to print only the first initial letter of variable 1, I will write variable 1 of 0. Okay, so it will give me as h. If I want the certain substring from the given string, I will use the slicing operator. So if I want from the second character to the third or fourth character, I will write it as variable 2 equals to 1 colon 5. So it will give me letters from 1 till 4. Okay, slicing operator goes one index less, so it will give me YTHO. Next is updating string. You can update an existing string by reassigning a variable to another string. The new value can be related to its previous value or to a completely different string altogether. For example, I'm declaring one variable as hello world. Then I'm printing the updated string as variable colon 6. That means it will start from 0 by default. It will go till the fifth string. That means it will go HELLO. And I'm using concatenation operator with Python. So it will replace my world with Python. So my output will come as updated string hello Python. Instead of word, the word got replaced by Python. Next is some escape characters. Like the other programming languages, we have escape characters in Python also, like /a, /b, /t, /e, /f. Okay. Next we have some special operators in Python. First is your concatenation operator, that is plus operator. So it will concatenate two strings. Suppose I've declared a equals to hello and b equals to Python. So if I write a plus b, it will give me output as hello Python. Next operator is repetition. It is going to create the new string with multiple repetition. For example, I have declared a equals to hello, and if I write a into 5, so it is going to repeat the hello 5 times. Next is slice. It will give me character from the given string or given index. If I want to access a single character from the string, I have to specify the index of that letter. So if I write a of 1, it will give me E. Next is range slice. It gives the characters from the given range. So for example, I want some slice of my string, or I want some range of my string. I will use a slicing operator, that is a colon, and I will write the starting of the string and the delimiter. Okay, so if I write 1 colon 4, it will start from first letter till third character है ना. Next is membership. Returns true if a character exists in the given string. So if you want to check if a particular character is present in the string, you will use in operator. For example, suppose I'm using H. H is my letter, my character, which I want to check that if it is present in A. So I write H in A. A is my variable where I have stored my string, correct? So if I write H in A, it will give me 1, that H is present. Next is not in. Not in is similar to, or it is an opposite of in. Like if the particular character is not present in this string, it will return true, otherwise false. Next is some formatting string operator. So we have some formatting string characters like %c, %s, %i, %d. So you can refer to the table for the formatting string character. Next is triple quote. Python triple quote comes to the rescue by allowing string to span multiple lines, including new lines, tabs, and any other special character. So if you want to span my single string to multiple lines, I will write it in single quotes or double quotes. Sorry, triple quotes of single or triple quotes of double. Okay. Now, if you write the special characters inside your string, it will consider it as a special character. Like I'm writing here /t /n, so it will consider /t as a tab, /n as a new line. Next topic is raw string. Raw string doesn't treat the backslash as a special character at all. Every character you put into raw string stays the way you wrote it. So for example, you have to write certain string the way you have written it. Similarly, like the way you have written it, and you want that the compiler should not consider the backslashes as a special character, you have to write it in raw string. So for example, I print C :/ nowhere. Okay, I want to print this string as it is, but you will see that your compiler will consider it as a special character and it will print C: :/ nowhere. So if you want to make your string as raw string, you have to put R before that. Okay, so I will write R before my string, so it will consider my string as raw string and it will print the string following R as it is. So you'll see that my string will got printed as it is. Next is Unicode string. Normal string in Python are stored internally as 8-bit ASCII, while Unicode strings are stored as 16-bit Unicode. This allows for a more varied set of characters, including special characters from most languages in the world. I'll restrict my treatment of Unicode strings to the following. For example, I'm writing print you hello world. So that means your compiler will treat it as a Unicode string and it will store this string as 16-bit Unicode, not 8-bit ASCII.